A step-by-step guide about how to connect first-time Raspberry Pi to laptop or PC. Step 1. Insert memory card in laptop and format the memory card using SD card formatter software. Now flash the Raspbian files to micro SD card using Etcher. After that, create one file into memory card to enable SSH. To create SSH file, go to the command prompt and type the highlighted portion. Here in my case, E is memory card location. See what's in your case. Now eject SD card from laptop and plug it into the Raspberry Pi board. Now power up the Raspberry Pi board and also connect your laptop to a Wi-Fi network. Go to Internet and Sharing and double-click on Wi-Fi network which you have connected. Now click on the Properties. Click on Sharing. Here check mark on Allow Network Sharing so that your Raspberry Pi can be connected to the Internet too. Now plug Ethernet cable to Raspberry Pi board and laptop. First connect to Raspberry Pi board after connecting to laptop. Now go to Ethernet connection and note the IP address. Example is the highlighted portion. Now install and open the IP scanner. Enter the IP address in the range highlighted below and scan. Note down the IP address of the Raspberry Pi 2. Now open putty and enter above IP address in host or IP address column. Then click on open. Here your Raspberry Pi board is connected to the laptop. Now log into the Raspberry Pi board using the default username and password given below. To open desktop of Raspberry Pi on your PC, install vneserver through putty console. Go to putty which is already open and type sudo apt-get. Install light vneserver. If asked, press Y, then type Y and enter. Now open the VNC viewer or Mobaxterm. Here type the IP address and you can see this IP address in putty console also. After opening the Raspberry Pi desktop, go to terminal and type the following commands: sudo apt-get update, sudo apt-get upgrade and sudo rpi update. And so you have successfully connected the Raspberry Pi with your PC or laptop.